Kaspa new all-time high is imminent. Emergency. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to do our typical daily update about what happened in the Kaspa price since yesterday. Also, we will see what happened in the rank, in the market cap, in the Hashrate, in the categories, and also in the top 10 addresses. Then we're gonna move into the technical side of Kaspa that is very bullish, and also obviously we will see the technical side of Bitcoin that is going exactly as I was expecting. So on this video we are about to analyze all of these things, and also would like to speak specifically why I believe that new 88 is imminent for Kaspa. So if you are interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. Before I continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So it's going to be very beneficial for you to have a subscribe. And without losing more time, let's get straight into the video and start with the Kaspa price, because guys, as you can clearly see, Kaspa is starting at 0.052 cents. We are approximately 3% up since yesterday, and today Kaspa actually is moving without the help of Bitcoin. And right now, the last couple minutes, the last couple hours, Bitcoin is moving to the upside too. Okay, so as you understand, I told you that if Kaspa will hold this very strong support of this very aggressive uptrend movement, that's going to be very bullish for Kaspa to break the old 88s and actually reach new levels. So as you understand, right now we are in a position that Kaspa maybe has an imminent new all-time high, and I believe it's going to happen, if not today, tomorrow. Okay, this current situation is very bullish for Kaspa. So guys, prepare for this huge move. Also, I warned you yesterday in my video that this Kaspa pump can happen without warning. Okay, it's gonna be sudden. So I believe right now Kaspa is getting ready for parabolic pump, something that can set Kaspa straight into the level of 0.056 cents within 0.057 cents. And if we will see an exchange listing after new 88s, guys, Kaspa will skyrocket even higher, 6 to 7 cents, very easy. And if the exchange news is gonna be like big exchange, okay, we will see big exchange listing for Kaspa, top tier exchange. Obviously, we will surpass the 7 cents area, and maybe we can touch the 0.075 cents. In this scenario, Kaspa, guys, will reach approximately above 1.5 billion, something that will set Kaspa in the rank very low. Okay, I believe if this scenario will happen, Kaspa at that point will be under top 40 coins. Right now, Kaspa is ranked 46, and the reason that we are 46 and not like 41 or 42 is because this huge Bitcoin pump actually created a liquidation exit for the Binance and Coinbase normies to the rest altcoins that are listed into Coinbase and Binance. That's why other altcoins pumped more than Kaspa. Kaspa isn't a great liquidation exit for Bitcoin because the majority of crypto investors are holding their cryptos in Coinbase and Binance. And the fact here is that the majority of people, the majority of Coinbase and Binance normies don't even know what is Kaspa. They don't even know the existence of Kaspa. So this huge pump that happened from the $26,000 up to $35,000 is approximately 30% pump. And that's a very big pump because, guys, Bitcoin is a very big asset. Okay, 30% pump for an asset like Bitcoin with multi-billion market cap, that's a lot. And if we actually go to check the Bitcoin market cap, you can clearly see market cap of Bitcoin right now is standing at 672 billion. So 30% up with this current market cap is huge. Okay, and that's why people who had Bitcoin in exchanges actually use the BTC profits as a liquidation exit to altcoins, and they bought the altcoins of Coinbase and Binance. That's why some altcoins like AV, Optimism, Maker, Near Protocol, Arbitrum, Injective pumped even more than supposed to pump. Okay, 50%, 13%, 19%, 10%, and Kaspa has in the last 7 days only 6.8%. But you need to know And actually to remind you that Kaspa doesn't need the Bitcoin pump to pump. Kaspa can pump parabolic without the help of Bitcoin. We have seen in the past like Bitcoin into big correction or in a neutral position in a consolidation phase, and actually Kaspa was doing then new 88s and then another new 88s, and you can clearly see, guys, the chart of that. Kaspa is pumping while the rest crypto market is in a deep bear market. Okay, you can clearly see the last year Kaspa did an incredible rally, and that shows, guys, massive power for Kaspa. Kaspa isn't backed by top tier exchanges, and that's a very powerful sign about what's going to happen when Kaspa is going to be listed in the majority of top tier exchanges as the cryptos like Injective, Arbitrum, Near Protocol, Avi, etc. So get ready, fasten your seatbelts, because, guys, we're about to see an insane rally, an insane parabolic pump very soon. So the market cap right now remains 1.1 billion. I told you yesterday that we were moving from 1 billion within 1.1 billion. Guys, do your dollar cost average before the train will go into the levels of 1.5 billion, and actually we will fluctuate 1.5 billion within 2 billion. Okay, Kaspa, according to my approach, won't get under 1 billion again, especially if we're gonna move into 1.3 billion. That's it. Okay, I don't believe that we will come back under 1 billion after that. So keep doing your dollar cost average. If we will notice a drop, then we're gonna buy. My personal strategy in this current situation is I do dollar cost average, and when actually I notice a good correction that maybe is the last correction, then I buy a very big bag, like we did here on this fourth signal. We bought in the WealthNet at 0.041 cents in the Patreon group. So, guys, if you're interested to do not lose the next big correction of Kaspa, or if you would like to have a guidance, it's highly recommended to join in WealthNet now. And don't forget also the previous signals that also we bought the bottom. Okay, the signals are very correct, and always we bought the bottom. So that's why you should be in WealthNet. It's a like-minded elite crypto community. Elites know how to buy. Okay, we don't buy blindly. And let's move, guys, straight to the Hashrate, because as you can clearly see, Hashrate is the same as yesterday and is the same as the last couple days, 56.75 petahash per second. The current Hashrate is at 52.60 petahash per second. That maybe will remain the same until, guys, the end days of November, early days of December, because until then, we maybe won't see new ASIC machines ready for plug-in into the network. But the last days of November and early days of December, we're about to see new machines that are about to be plugged in, and that can skyrocket the petahash even more into the upside. Okay, we will see more computational power, something that can send the new 88s of hash rate straight to 100 petahash per second, or even more, who knows. And also, guys, our eyes is also in the next reduction, because that's really awesome. We have a reduction every 30 days for Kaspa, and the price, instead of drop as we usually see in the other cryptos, because, guys, when actually the supply increase, if you have the same demand for this crypto, actually the price drop. Okay, but Kaspa actually increase the supply and simultaneously increase the demand. So that's why Kaspa price is pumping. That's really bullish sign. People cannot realize how bullish is standing Kaspa right now. They have an approach like 100 billion is the maximum, is the ultra bullish scenario. Guys, 100 billion for Kaspa, mark my words for that, is the minimum, is the most bearish scenario. Kaspa will shock the world and actually screen record and voice record my words. You will see by 2025 that Kaspa will reach so easy the 200 billion market cap, and according to certain circumstances, Kaspa can overcome that amount and can be like within 300 billion and 500 billion. The next bull run is about to be unprecedented, and the reason that is about to be unprecedented is because we're about to see like 10 trillion coming into the crypto space, $10 trillion. So that's really, really bullish for projects like Kaspa that have the best fundamentals that ever been created in the crypto space. Anyway, let's move straight, guys, into the categories, because as you can clearly see, we have some wallet accumulation since yesterday. We gained more wallets in the SAR category, in the Dolphin category, Fish and Crab category, and we lost one whale wallet. That I told you that this is not a sign like we lost an investor, maybe a whale split out like the whale wallet into 3 Sark wallets. So that doesn't mean when you see actually red here that we lost a whale or someone sold. Okay, we don't know how actually each investor handle his bags. And I would like to tell you that if you have very big amount, like above 6 figures, 7 figures of Kaspa, and I mean from the dollar side, I recommend you to split out into multiple wallets, into multiple cold storages, because this is more safe if something wrong will happen with your one cold storage. More money you have, more cold storages you should own. Okay, I know multimillionaires that got like above 10 cold storages. Crazy. Okay, 10 cold storages and above. So the more money you got, the more diversification you should do in the cold storages to be as safe as possible. And let's go straight to the top addresses, because KuCoin, as you can clearly see, is in very aggressive accumulation. KuCoin right now is standing above 840 million Kaspa coins, because this is not the only wallet of KuCoin. KuCoin has another wallet in the 6th page, as you can clearly see that they got here 36 million Kaspa coins. So in total they got approximately 840 Kaspa coins. And as I told you guys, I believe KuCoin is about to be Aquaman very, very soon. I believe this is the goal of KuCoin, and KuCoin in the future is about to be very, very wealthy. Okay, they're about to have insane profits, and Get.io actually follows the steps of KuCoin, and they're buying aggressively too. Before 3 months, Get.io had like 400 million Kaspa coins, and they doubled that. Crazy. Okay, they are buying like crazy, aggressive accumulation. And Mixi, as you can clearly see, is starting at 550 million Kaspa coins, and also I'm expecting that Mixi can rank up with furthermore accumulation, because always before the new 88s of Kaspa, Mixi is buying aggressively. So I'm not gonna be in a shock if I see a Mixi suddenly straight to 1 billion Kaspa coins. Okay, it can happen. It did in the past, and it can maybe do that in the future too. So get ready to see also massive buying pressure for Mixi too. Anyway, let's go straight into the technical side of Kaspa, because right now, guys, as you can clearly see, it's happening the scenario that I told you the previous days. Before 3 days, I told you this kind of support that is about to form here in this aggressive uptrend movement has probabilities to bounce. Okay, Kaspa price has probabilities to bounce into the upside, and it bounced. And I told you that if we bounce here, that's gonna be insanely bullish, because the new 88 is about to be imminent, and right now we are studying the position as I was expecting. Okay, I told you that if we bounce from here, the new 88 is imminent, and right now, guys, we are standing at 0.052 cents. We are in very aggressively to reach new 88. We are apart like 3% away from a new 88, and I believe it's very imminent, maybe the next coming hours or tomorrow. This scenario can play out and break this new 88s, and if this new 88s will happen with just simple buying pressure, okay, like whales will buy or new investors will decide to invest massively in Kaspa, guys, we will get straight to 0.05657 cents, and we're about to consolidate until we will see any kind of news. And if we will see, as I told you before, and also as I told you the previous days, news like new exchange listing, and this exchange will be big exchange, like top tier exchange, the price will skyrocket straight into 0.06 within 7 cents. Okay, and if this is gonna be top tier, as I told you, we will surpass the 7 cents area and we will reach an astonishing new 88. Okay, and if this scenario will happen, guys, and we will see from medium to big exchange, and this exchange will be actually an exchange that is reliable according to CoinMarketCap and actually according to Binance, because CoinMarketCap owned by Binance. Guys, Kaspa is about to be listed properly. It's going to be visible in the CoinMarketCap, and that's going to drive furthermore FOMO, furthermore eyes into Kaspa about what's happening in Kaspa, why is pumping so much, what is Kaspa, and all of these things. And that's going to drive FOMO, something that will push the price of Kaspa even more up, as we are waiting to see. Guys, Kaspa will reach 10 cents sooner than you think. Okay, 10 cents is very, very imminent too. So I'm expecting the next coming months to see 10 cents very easy, and a consolidation phase within 10 cents and 20 cents very easy. So Kaspa is very, very bullish. It can double very, very soon. Get ready for that, and don't wait actually to see Kaspa back to 3 cents and 2 cents, because this is an impossible scenario. No one will sell that low to let Kaspa drop. Okay, if Kaspa will drop under 4 cents from this position, people will sell their kidneys to buy Kaspa again under 4 cents. The price cannot drop as you think. Kaspa price from this current situation can go only into the upside. Its correction, the dip bought out very, very fast, as it happened here. We saw the war fad, and when we actually dropped that low at 0.041 cents, guys, the dip recovered pretty fast, like it never happened. Okay, this correction, 20% drop, actually recovered pretty fast. And also, obviously, as you can clearly see in the group, in the WealthNet, elite crypto investors, we bought the dip very, very aggressively. And that's maybe the bottom of the last drop. And let's go straight to the Bitcoin analysis, because guys, as you can clearly see, Bitcoin is moving as I told you. I told you before 3 days that we're about to move here with a consolidation phase to actually form a bull flag. And if this bull flag will break to the upside, guys, Bitcoin has a probabilities to reach from $38,000 up to $40,000, something that's gonna shock lots of people. Lots of people gonna start talking that maybe this is the beginning of the bull run and all of these things. But guys, personally, even if we reach the $40,000, and you know how bullish I am for crypto, I believe that this is not the beginning of the bull run. No matter if we will pump to $40,000, I expect a crash before actually we will start building the bullish territory for the new bull run of 2025. So even if we pump to $38,000 or straight to $40,000, I'm expecting a big crash to come, something that maybe will collapse the price of Bitcoin back to $31,250, and then maybe we will bounce from this massive support that we have right now. Previously, it was very strong resistance. We were testing this massive resistance lots of times, and actually the third time we broke it. That's why we are in a super bullish position now. And also another bullish sign that shows that Bitcoin is in a very bullish position is that we are above this 200 daily moving average. Okay, I have guided you very correctly about what you should look, because I told you that if we will bounce from this $26,750 and actually we will surpass and remain with a daily candle above this 200 daily moving average, Bitcoin will continue into higher levels. And especially I told you that if we will break this crucial resistance, then Bitcoin will do an incredible rally straight to $34,000, $35,000 with a maximum limit of $40,000. The videos are there. You can go and check all my previous videos. I actually warn you for these things that are happening right now. So guys, in this current situation, if Bitcoin will break the resistance of the bull flag, it will go straight into higher level, $37,000 within $40,000. But if it will fail to break that, Bitcoin will go back for a retrace of this $31,250, and then maybe it will bounce up to $37,000, $38,000 with a maximum limit of $40,000. Okay, this is exactly what I'm expecting as the next move of the Bitcoin. It can happen absolutely everything, either a drop or either a pump. I give you the technical price target that I expect to see. And guys, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. I believe for Kaspa, the situation here is looking very bullish for an imminent new all-time high, like the next coming hours, like tomorrow, who knows. The price is getting ready for incredible explosion, so prepare for that. And also don't forget that I prepared you yesterday too, that with this warning to all Kaspa investors, prepare for this. And in this video, guys, actually I was telling you that Kaspa can pump parabolic very suddenly without the Bitcoin help. Okay, Bitcoin can actually consolidate at this $34,400 within $34,000, and actually you can clearly see Kaspa into new 88s. That is gonna be very, very parabolic and very, very imminent. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, guys, don't forget to check my Patreon group, that is WealthNet. WealthNet is a Discord group that's designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. In WealthNet, you'll find like-minded community, multimillionaires, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, whatever you can imagine. Also, you will get the proper guidance to avoid mistakes and actually move into the path of prosperity. Also, you will learn how to buy, okay, because always we buy the perfect times. You can clearly see all the signals that I gave in Kaspa were very correctly. It was up the absolute bottom each time, and these signals are actually signals that we buy very, very heavy. And people, especially the OGs of my Patreon group, they bought Kaspa very, very massively at this first signal at 0.015 cents, and right now these people are going very straight to 6 cents. Also, guys, private live streams are coming the next month, November, so join now and you will have lots of benefits in our rooms and also in our live streams and much more. Highly recommended, especially if you are Kaspa investor. And if you are looking for more benefits, I recommend you to join via Lifetime. The payment is via crypto and it's Kaspa, obviously. So if you're looking for further more benefits, you can join through Lifetime. And for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa or your cryptos, the safest way, guys, the safest way to store your Kaspa is cold storage, hands down. I highly recommend you to go for Tazem. This is my recommendation for you. Tazem wallet is the best cold storage and one of the safest cold storages that you can choose. I believe is the best one in the industry, and with the discount code CryptoChris, you will have 10% off in your order. So you can click here the link and you will go straight into the Tazem site. Press here, get your Tazem. I recommend you the 3 cards pack. Use the CryptoChris code and you will get the 10% off. It's highly recommended to stay safe. And that's what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question, and I will see you all in my next video. Until my next video, your boy Chris out.